It's Dave Dunn here at Fastflow, and I just want to show you a new update that we've added to the Fastflow dashboard. So I might as well just go straight into WordPress and show you. So let's go into WordPress, and basically what we have here is the license add-ons and the available add-ons. Now we've kind of reformatted this because it's taken up a lot of space, and I think I realize it would be better to put it on different tabs. So what we've done is put these on tabs. I'll show you anyway. So we're going to basically update this dashboard. Yeah. So if you go into WordPress, and you'll see there's a new update available. If you don't already have the Fastflow dashboard, you can just go into add new plugins. Where are we? Plugins here, add new, and you can just search for Fastflow. But we've already got it installed, and you can see there's an update available. So let's just update this and give that a minute. Right, so that's now updated. If we go back to the Fastflow add-ons, and we'll give this a quick refresh to clear the cache. Okay, so now that you can see the cache has been cleared, and we've now got 4 columns for the add-ons, but we've also put them on tabs so that we've got the available ones as well. And then we've got another tab here for recommended. So basically, what I've done over the years is got a core set of plugins together that I kind of go to every time I want to build a WordPress site. And I'm building like a library of these. So if you have any available plugins, or you have any plugins that you know about or that are on WordPress that you are really a big fan of and you think they're really usable, then feel free to make a suggestion, and I may add them here if I feel they're really worth adding to the site. But basically, these are the plugins that I tend to go to every time I'm setting up a WordPress site. Sometimes I may not use them all, but these are like my core go-to plugins that are available on WordPress. And I mean, there's times I've thought about developing some, but when there's good enough plugins out there, there's no point reinventing the wheel. So these are there, they're available. And I've made it really easy for you to install them. So these are here. Like, for example, I use Beaver Builder as my page builder. I may experiment with Elementor in the future. We may add that here. But for now, Beaver Builder's there, and it's just a one-click install. Again, we've got duplicate page and post. So this is really handy for duplicating pages and posts. I'll just install that. Updraft, you want to do backups on your website, just install it. Yoast SEO, that's one go-to plugin that I've started using for SEO purposes. Install that. So as you can see, everything's easy to install. These are all tested as working together. So I mean, if you've got a concern about plugin conflicts, then these are being all tested working together, as well as working alongside any of these Fastflow add-ons that are available. So this is kind of the point with this, that I'm building a library of plugins that work. I know they work, and they are there for a purpose of making your site run smoother and faster, and in a lot easier way to set up. And they're all tested as working together. So hopefully you get a lot of use out of this new feature that we've added. If you've got plugins that you like using, that you think will enhance everybody else's WordPress experience, then feel free to make a suggestion. And I will be adding more features to the Fastflow dashboard and adding more tutorials on how these other features work. So see you in another video.